I have tried a lot of Bissell cleaners, and Bissell Pro Max Clean and Protect is my favorite. It has fantastic stain protection, and I really love the smell of this one. And it's great for the things I need, which are those stubborn stains, specifically pet stains. I deal with a lot of cat messes, and this carpet cleaner does such a fantastic job. Now, a key piece is that it is a concentrate. You use very little of this cleaner with water, so this one huge jar will last for many cleanings, especially if I'm only doing spot cleans. I really don't need to fill it up this much. You just want to make sure you mix the right amount of water to concentrate. Now, I'm using the Bissell Upright Cleaner. This is the Turbo XL, and it is amazing. It does such a fantastic job cleaning my carpets, whether I'm doing a full clean or a spot clean, and it gets out all the dirt. Definitely recommend BISSELL Deep Clean Pro.